Conditional formatting is similar to data validation, but they're not quite the same. So I'm going to highlight some cells right here that I want to format those cells. So I'm going to go up to Format, and I'm going to go down to Conditional Formatting. So they're going to get formatted based on what's inside. So I could use is not empty, I could use text contains, dates, I can use numbers, I can use custom formulas in here as well. But I'm going to go with greater than or equal to right here. So, and I'm going to put in the number 3. So if the number is 3 or bigger, then something's going to happen. So I'm going to change the color from this mint green to dark green. Click Done. Okay, I'm going to add another rule, and I don't want it to be empty, so I'm going to go down to less than right here. And we did 3, so if the number is less than 3, then it's going to turn it orange. There we go. Click Done. All right, so let's see what happens when I start filling out the data in here. You're noticing that as the numbers are greater than or equal to 3, they're green, and if they are less than, they are orange. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.